All right. So just let me know. Uh, all right. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Okay. Thank you so much, Saima, for your input. All right. So now she can hear me. We are okay. Once again, let me repeat my instructions that we are going to do this exercise. Two examples are already done for you, and then we are going to do with example three. All right. So you can see sentence on your screen. Sentence number three. Nicole dash drive, but she doesn't have a car. So what do you think? There are three options: can, be able to. I mean, sorry, there are two options: can or be able to. What do you think is the right answer in number three? What should we write in number three? Can. Okay, Shuja is saying can. All right, correct. Can. All right. Nadia, Naila Naz, yes, yes. Acha, I'll send you the screenshot of these exercises so that you can also practice at home. Nicole can drive, but she doesn't have a car. It means she has learned how to drive. She has the ability of driving a car, but she doesn't have a car. Now, number four, I used to. Okay, now stop giving the answers of number three. Now, number four, I used to dash stand on my head, but I can't do it anymore. All right, this is sort of kind of a, uh, fear factor stunt. I mean, it is a stunt. I used to dash stand on my head. All right. So after used to, what do you think? Can we use can in number four? Number four sentence. Number four sentence. What do you think? Should we write can or be able to? Okay. Sidra is saying be able to. Tahmina is saying be able to. Uh, Muzammil, Shuja. Oh, I'm glad. I'm glad you know the difference. Very right. Very true. That I used to be able to stand on my head, but I can't do it anymore. Perfect. Thank you so much. Number six. Sorry. Number five. I can't understand Mark. I can't understand Mark. I have never dash understand him. All right. So what do you think? Number five. I have never like I've never के साथ oh yeah we can't use can. Been able to, yes, because we are using perfect tense here. I have never, so we'll write been able to, B-double-E and been able to understand him. Perfect. Thank you so much, Uruj, Saima, um, Noor Jahan, Nadia. Your answers are absolutely correct. Number six, I can't see you on Friday, but I dish meet you on Saturday morning. Number six, what do you think? Number six, Sidra is saying can, Shuja is saying can. In number six, I can't see you on Friday, but I can meet you on Saturday morning. Correct answer. Thank you so much. Number seven, ask Catherine about your problem. She might dish help you. What do you think? Number seven, ask Catherine about your problem. She might, because see here, might is already here. One model verb is here. So definitely we can't write can here. All right. So we need to use she might be able to help you. She might be able to help you. All right. Naila, Uruj, thanks very much for your input. Sumaya, thanks very much. Afzal, thanks very much. Number 8, you have to be careful in this part of the city. It dash be dangerous. You have to be careful in this part of the city. It it can, I mean, be able to doesn't, doesn't go with it, right? We can't use be able to. We will use can. It can be dangerous. I mean, the road can be dangerous in terms of safety or in terms of, anything. So you have to be careful in this part of the city. It can be dangerous. Number 9, Michael has lived in Italy a long time. So he should dash speak Italian. Sidra, he should be able to speak Italian. Wonderful. Thank you so much. We have done one exercise. I am going to, ask you, and we are going to move now towards the next exercise, which is write sentences about yourself using the ideas in the bracket. All right. So these are 4 types of language structures are given to you. All right. Listen to me instructions very carefully. There are 4 types of language, language structures given to you, and you have to write the answer. You have to write the sentences for about yourself. I mean, okay, there is no right and wrong. You will, whatever you would like to share, you can share about yourself. Something you used to be able to do. I used to be able to sing well. All right. What you used to be able to do, like what did you used to be able to do? All right, can you write in the chat box? Anything, like I used to be able to draw, and I used to be able to paint very well, uh, but now I can't. All right, I used to be able to drive well. Shija, thank you so much. This is such a nice sentence. Okay, I'm glad you are sharing your input. Something you used to be able to do, we have done. All right. Something you I used to be able to play cricket very well. It means you can't play now. All right. I used to be able to write a tragic poetry. Oh, amazing, Sadra. I used to be able to go party, and used to be able to. Okay, I mean, it can be right. Uh, Tragic poetry, Sadra. I would like to read it. If you could share. Afzal Khoso is saying, I used to be able to drive a car. I used to be able to bake cake. All right, Uruj, very talented, very talented. Thank you so much. I'm glad you are sharing your input, and that gives me more satisfaction. Um, Now, the language structure in number 3 is different. Something you would like to be able to do, like you would like to be. I would like to be able to. I would like to be able to. You know, do painting, or I would like to be able to sing. I would like to be able to, like, what is your wish? What would you like to be able to? So this is the language structure which is different. Now we are not using used to, we are using would like to be able to. All right. What would you like to be able to do? Just write a sentence here in the chat box. What would you like to be able to do? You can say that I would like to be able to sing. I would like to be able to, I would like to be able to, dance. I would like to be able to act. I would like to be able to, uh, you know, write a story or a novel or something. I would like to be able to make someone dynamic person. Sidra, very nice. You always come up with unique ideas. I would like to be able to teach. Oh, that's great, Noorjahan. Amazing. All right, Uruj. I would like to be able to teach English in higher classes. Oh, that's really amazing. And I would like to be able to write a novel. Ramsha. Oh, thank you so much. Uh, Now, number 4, something you have never been able to do, like something you have never been able to do. Uh, you know, you can say that, like I've never, like I give you my example, right? Something I've never been able to, I've never been able to cook. I mean, or I've never tried cooking. All right, I've never been able to try try cooking or something like that. All right, so this is now the structure is changed. Have never been able to. So what have you have you never been able to do? Like something that you have never tried, something you have never been able to do. You have never been able to catch flies. All right, okay. Oh, yeah, I like it. Ramsha Raheen. All right, this is an amazing input. I've never been able to ironing my clothes. Okay, this is a Muzammil Brohe. All right, I've never been able to talk Chinese. We have never been able to live forever with people. Yes, we have never learned that how to live in harmony, how to live in, in peace, and how to live with, you know, uh, you can say in coordination, in cooperation, in society. This is how we can make a progressive society. But unfortunately, we have never learned that. Or we have never, and we have never been taught actually to live in peace and harmony. Thank you so much for bringing this point in. And I've never been able to uh, this hurt charming people. I've never been able to this hard charming. Why charming? You should be taking care of everyone's feelings, Sidra. I mean, why you're only like this thing is charming people. All right, Tahira, I've never been able to bake or to do baking. All right, thank you so much, uh, everyone, for your wonderful input and your interest that you are showing.
Have food in it. Can you tell?
Oh, it's very visible. Yeah.
I mean,
very
no,
visible.
but if you don't have a mirror, sometimes do you feel like you've walked around and there's been food in your beard?
Well, if you have good enough friends, they notify you if you have mustard on your beard or something like
Right.
that. They let you know.
All right, just checking. So you've always been like a daredevil, but you've done. I think I've talked to you about you swim with sharks, or you have,
Yeah.
and you jump out of an airplane.
Yeah.
On a regular basis, or will you?
I only did that once.
Will you do it again?
When both parachutes don't open, you tend to not go repeat something like that. Yeah.
What are you talking about? Well, then how'd you get down?
I jumped out of the airplane, and then my first chute didn't open. It's tandem, so somebody's on your back. They cut that line. We started free falling towards Earth, and that's when you get the 8x10 glossies of your whole life flashing before your eyes. And then the second one was tangled as well, and I saw my friends sort of popping off with their parachutes, and I'm still
right.
both engines.
And he landed on the river.
This happened in one of the engines, and I was the
right.
Both engines.
And he landed on the river.
This happened in one of the engines, and I was the in one of the engines, and I was the only person there that seemed to see this, but it was a flaming in one of the engines, and I was the only person there that seemed to see this, but it was in one of the engines, and I was the only person there that seemed to see this, but it was a flaming passengers, and I kind of felt like I'd already died and gone to heaven because no one said passengers, and I kind of felt like I'd already died and gone to heaven because no one said anything.
All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this exercise, everybody. Did you enjoy this exercise?